Today I have a Ford Bronco, and I'm going to show you how to operate the windshield wipers on this particular Ford Bronco. I'm going to show you how to turn on the windshield wipers as well as how to turn on the windshield washer on this Ford Bronco for both the windshield and for the rear window. This is how to turn on the windshield washer for the windshield and the rear window. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way about this Ford Bronco, can you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so let's get started. So I'm sitting in my Ford Bronco behind the steering wheel, and my vehicle's on, but it's in park right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look through the steering wheel of my Ford Bronco, and you see this lever right here. This is the clever lever. And now, in order to turn on the windshield wipers, what you'll do is, okay, the first is the auto right here. I'm going to go right here. This right here is intermittent mode right here, or the auto mode. So when it's a drop,